And that's why we're going camping, because I drank a Russian's vodka and now he wants to kill me.
Okay.
Yes, Max, what I'd like to call camping, alright?
Mucho extremo.
Yeah, it's crazy. Don't worry, my illegal friend, we're gonna have a great time.
Okay.
Huh, I haven't. What?
How you say, got it like fish?
Thanks for the words of encouragement, Max, they're really comforting.
De nada.
Well, since this is a biology project, we're gonna have to have a really drawn-out scientific explanation, which will take many scenes to film.
Okay.
It's good, Max. Alright, now there are 7 characteristics in biology for life, and they are that an organism is composed of cells, it can reproduce, it has a based on a universal genetic code, it can maintain homeostasis, it responds to its environment, it can grow and develop, and it needs energy and materials.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. It's really easy to grasp, even with your third world education. Alright, it's getting dark. I say we start setting up camp.
See.
Alright, now back to the topic at hand. Now, there are many different types of cells, and they can be unicellular or multicellular. When they're unicellular, it's only one cell in the organism. When they're multicellular, it's an organism made of many.
Muy poquito?
Yes, Max, they're very small. No. Anyways, there's also reproduction, which is the ability to produce offspring, which can be sexual or asexual. Now, when it's asexual, it's one parent, and it splits itself to make a new organism. That's right. And then there's sexual, when there are 2 parents. And asexual, the offspring is nearly identical to the parent. When in sexual, there's a lot more variation since it gets traits from both parents. Wow, I can't imagine what kind of upbringing you had, Max.
Muy loco.
I don't know how to respond to that. So, anyways, there's also genetic code, which is made up of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Now, this is the genetic blueprint to code for our traits and characteristics, which we get, in our case, from both parents, since they split the cells in sexual reproduction. And in asexual, it's nearly identical.
Muy interesting.
Well, I can show you more in 10.
Come on, video.
Cause I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
No, Max, don't put that there. Okay. No, Max, no. You can't put that there. What was that?
Really?
You know, you still can't go there.
Okay.
No, Max.
Man. Another argument, huh?
Okay then. How come I'm the only one that can see you?
I don't know. You tell me, good sir.
Well, me and Max had a bit of an argument.
Max and I.
What?
Max and I. It's proper grammar and it's polite.
You know what? I don't even care about grammar. The both of us have to.
Okay, let me stop you there. There's no L in bold. And you say it again with that incisive L that will cut your tongue off and feed it to a honey badger.
You know what? I'm just gonna solve this one by myself. Hey, that wasn't a long walk. You mad at me or something?
No.
Alright, next characteristic of life is that all living things can respond to the environment. They do this by responding to stimulus, which is a kind of signal. There's external and internal. External would be like plant roots growing downwards due to gravity. And internal could be like your stomach growling when you're hungry.
Mucho hungry.
No. Now speaking of internal, next topic is homeostasis, or maintaining internal balance. Homeostasis is like a thermostat. When you're cold, your body will shiver to keep you warm, and when you're hot, your body will sweat to keep you cool.
Mucho thirsty.
No, Max. Learning fishes are learning too. Next is growth and development. Bacteria has typically grows in size while animals will develop. Now, in an embryo, animals will go through a process known as differentiation, which is the specialization of cells. Now, in the embryo, the cells are undefined, so they can become the liver cell, or brain cell, or any other that the body needs. No excuses, Max. We're not going to stop. Right, now the final characteristic is that we need materials and energies, which simply means that we need to consume food in order to survive. We also need energy to grow and develop. With energy, we're able to do a process called metabolism. It's a series of chemical reactions to build and break down materials. We all get our materials from the environment. Plants use photosynthesis, animals eat those plants, we eat animals and plants, and decomposers get our crops. It is, Max. Well, that's it. We're done.
See. Call it friends.
You know what, Max? This is time for celebration. How about you call up the friend news?
See, my name is Max.
My name is David!
602 plus 6H2O makes C6H12 plus 6 plus 602. I'll be the water, you'll be the CO2. It's photosynthesis, baby, just me and you.
Who's this?
Hi, my name is David. Nice to meet you.
Alright, well, since you're here, I'm going to ask you for a little bit.
Oh, don't worry. I do. I'm an Idris Scout. And that's how she got hit by a car. But enough about my 11 ex-wives. What have y'all been up to all last?
Well, I've been explaining the 7 characteristics.
God! That hurts!
Hola, Aaron.
Max. Wait, you can see him?
See.
Oh, I thought he was my subconscious manifested in my head as an Asian guy.
How you say is saw him?
Yeah, can we not talk about that?
See.
Well, as I was saying, there's 7 characteristics to life, and I was explaining it to Max here.
Philosophically or biologically?
Biological. It's for video bio projects, get over it. Anyways, we're all made up of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life, and there are many different kinds of them. Then we talked about asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual is when there's one parent, and sexual is when there's 2. Then we talked about DNA, which is the genetic code of life. It makes up our characteristics.
Show Max properly?
Yeah, and that's it.
Nice!
Alright, then we talked about stimuli. There's external, which is outside your body, and internal, which is inside your body. Then we talked about homeostasis, which is basically your internal thermometer. Then we talked about specialization and differentiation, which is when a cell is in the fetus, it's undeveloped and has no purpose. And then it can become a brain cell, or a liver cell, or whatever the body needs. And then we talked about materials and energy, and how we need, a living organism needs them to survive. And we do a chain of chemical reactions known as metabolism.
Wow, looks like y'all covered a lot.
Yeah, we did.
Alright, so what do we talk about now? You can always sing. Yeah!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, longest for the longest time. Oh, longest for the longest. Don't say goodbye to me tonight.
Damn it! I'm never gonna make it to sectionals!